Exploring the world as an introvert is a unique journey, one that delves into the quieter corners of our planet and the inner recesses of the soul. Solo budget traveling for introverts is an art of solitude, a canvas for introspection, and a symphony of meaningful connections. In this realm, introverted travelers find a haven, a space to thrive, and an opportunity to cherish the world on their own terms, prioritizing depth over breadth. Here, we will delve into the world of solo budget traveling for introverts, understanding their unique needs, the benefits they reap, and how they can savor authentic experiences without breaking the bank. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Venturers. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Understanding introverted travelers. Introverted travelers are individuals who find solace in solitude and introspection. They often prefer quieter, more intimate experiences and can feel drained in highly social environments. Introverts tend to enjoy deeper one-on-one interactions and find meaning in the details. Traveling as an introvert means valuing personal space, seeking out tranquility, and cherishing meaningful connections with people and places. They relish the opportunity to explore the world on their terms, focusing on quality rather than quantity in their experiences. 2. Benefits of solo travel for introverts. Solo travel is an introvert's playground, offering numerous advantages. It allows introverted travelers to set their own pace, follow their interests without compromise, and embrace solitude when needed. Being on their own liberates introverts to engage more profoundly with the places they visit, as it encourages authentic interactions and self-discovery. They can explore destinations with flexibility, pivot their plans according to their mood, and enjoy the tranquility of solo adventures. 3. Budget-friendly travel for introverts. Traveling on a budget is not synonymous with sacrificing quality experiences. Introverted travelers often value authenticity and simplicity over extravagance. To travel on a budget as an introvert means seeking out genuine, meaningful experiences that align with their preferences. They can choose affordable accommodation options, savor local street food, and explore destinations with lower costs of living, making the most of their resources without compromising on the depth of their travel experiences. 4. Destination selection. Choosing the right destination is crucial for introverted travelers. They are typically drawn to serene and natural landscapes, historical sites, and culturally rich experiences. Such destinations resonate with their quieter, more introspective tendencies. Introverts often find solace in places that offer tranquility, allowing them to immerse themselves in the culture and connect with the local community at a pace that suits them. Exploring charming villages, untouched nature, and historical gems is often the introvert's path to meaningful travel experiences. 5. Meaningful interactions abroad. Introverts may not seek constant social interactions, but they deeply value meaningful connections. Meaningful interactions are at the heart of an introverted traveler's journey. They can engage with the local culture by participating in workshops, visiting art galleries, and attending community events, which foster authentic and rewarding interactions. Introverts can strike a balance between meaningful connections and personal space, ensuring their travel experiences are both enriching and true to their nature. 6. Planning for introverted travelers. Thoughtful planning is a cornerstone of successful introvert-friendly travel. Crafting a well-structured itinerary that includes downtime for reflection, meditation, or relaxation is crucial for introverted travelers. This approach helps introverts maintain a sense of balance and well-being throughout their journey. Careful planning also involves choosing activities and destinations that align with their preferences, ensuring a fulfilling and introspective travel experience. 7. Packing light and smart. Packing efficiently is vital for introverted travelers. It not only lightens the load but also provides more room for souvenirs or treasures from the journey. Introverted travelers can pack essentials and versatile clothing that suit various occasions and climates, ensuring they have everything they need without the burden of excess baggage. By packing smart and minimizing the number of items carried, introverts can enjoy a more hassle-free and enjoyable travel experience. 8. Balancing rest and exploration. Introverted travelers benefit from a balance of rest and exploration. Traveling isn't just about visiting landmarks and ticking off bucket list items. It's also about self-discovery and introspection. This balance allows introverts to incorporate moments of relaxation, self-reflection, and downtime into their travel schedule without missing out on the rich experiences that their destination has to offer. By valuing both rest and exploration, introverted travelers can create a harmonious and fulfilling journey. 9. Mindful travel photography. Introverts often possess a keen eye for detail and beauty. Mindful travel photography is an excellent way for introverted travelers to capture the essence of their journey while maintaining a sense of personal connection with the places they visit. They can focus on photographing the subtle, often overlooked moments and create a visual journal of their experiences that reflects the depth and meaning they find in their travels. 10. Solo dining experiences. Dining alone can be a delightful and introspective experience for introverted travelers. It offers a unique opportunity to savor local cuisine and immerse oneself in culinary adventures that cater to their introverted nature. It's a chance to appreciate the flavors, ambiance, and local traditions without the distractions of group dining. Introverts can find joy in solo dining, turning it into a memorable part of their travel journey. 11. The art of observing. Introverts are natural observers. They tend to notice the details, the nuances, and the subtleties of their surroundings. The art of observing is a skill that introverted travelers can use to gain deeper insights into the culture, history, and people of the destinations they visit. By taking the time to watch, listen, and absorb, introverts can discover hidden gems and enrich their travel experiences with a profound understanding of the places they explore. 12. Immersing in nature. Introverted travelers often find solace in natural settings. Immersing in nature is a particularly rewarding aspect of travel for introverts. Whether it's a tranquil hike through the woods, a serene day at the beach, or simply relishing the beauty of a scenic landscape, nature offers introverts a space for contemplation, relaxation, and a deep connection with the world around them. These moments of immersion in nature become an integral part of their travel experience. 13. Building a travel journal. A travel journal is an invaluable tool for introverted travelers. It allows them to document their experiences, thoughts, and feelings, serving as a meaningful reflection of their journey. The process of writing or sketching in a journal provides introverts with an outlet for self-expression and a way to preserve the memories and emotions associated with their travel experiences. A well-kept journal becomes a cherished keepsake and a testament to the richness of their introspective journey.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
14. Authentic cultural experiences. For introverted travelers, immersing in the local culture can be exceptionally rewarding. Authentic cultural experiences go beyond surface-level tourism and allow introverts to connect with the essence of the destination. This can involve staying with local families, attending traditional festivals, participating in cultural workshops, or engaging in meaningful conversations with residents. These interactions foster a genuine and profound connection with the culture, offering a deeper understanding of the places they visit. 15. Cultivating a travel community. Solo travel doesn't mean traveling alone. Cultivating a travel community is a significant aspect of introverted travel. Introverted travelers can connect with like-minded individuals who share their passion for authentic, introspective journeys. This sense of community provides a network of support, advice, and companionship when needed. It also offers a space to share travel stories, insights, and experiences, building meaningful connections with others who appreciate the depth and authenticity of introverted travel. By connecting with a travel community, introverted travelers can enhance their travel adventures and enrich their journeys even further. In a world where extroverted experiences often take center stage, solo budget traveling for introverts is a silent revolution, an unspoken poetry of personal exploration. By understanding the distinctive characteristics of introverted travelers, we uncover the secret to their fulfillment in traversing the globe. The benefits of solitude, flexibility, and authenticity found in solo travel resonate deeply with their souls. Embracing a budget-friendly approach, introverted travelers can discover the world's hidden gems, connect with the heart of local culture, and create a mosaic of memories that transcend the constraints of finance. So, for introverts seeking meaningful and tranquil adventures, the path of solo budget traveling is a whispered invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery, serenity, and genuine connections. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels. Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.